I'm gonna do my makeup using Sephora products or stuff you can buy at Sephora. It's a natural makeup look today. Okay, let's get started with primer. The primer I'm using is this Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick. I'm gonna put that like T-zone. Next I'm gonna use this Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I really like this stuff. I recommend getting it. This stuff is great. Super glowy. And it's in the color, or shade 3, Fair. And I'm going to blend that in with a brush, foundation brush. And just blend that in. For foundation, I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And I'm the color 5.5. I love this stuff. I'm just going to use a foundation brush to blend that in. I just wet this Real Technique sponge and I'm just going to go over the foundation. Make sure I don't have any lines from the brush. Under my eyes I'm using this Sephora Collection Bright Future Concealer in the color Buttercream. I really like this. It's very hydrating on the eyes. That was a lot better. A little here. Down my nose. Since I have some spots and like texture, I used the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer in a darker shade. Let that sit. I'm gonna blend my concealer in. And then I'm just gonna blend this eye and take the extra and put it on my eyelid. Tartelin Bloom. It's great. Good every day. Mine is smashed a little bit. This fluffy bending brush, and I'm going to go in with Charmer, which is just like the white shade of the palette, and just put that on my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with Smarty Pants, put that on the crease, my eye. Okay, I don't like this brush. I'm going to take the Shadow Funny Girl, which is a gold glitter, and put that on the center of my eyelids. And I'm going to just use my finger. I'm going to blend this out now. Take my Clinique chubby stick. I like this. Blend it in. I'm just blending up towards my ear. A little of the milk one. And then blend that in. Go in with this Rare Beauty highlight. I really like this. It's ginormous. And then whatever's left, I'll just use a beauty blender. Set my face using this Ilia setting powder, translucent setting powder. I really like this. It's very lightweight on the face. I'm just going to do it under my eye. And then I'm going with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to carve out the rest of my face. and I'm going to do bronzer. I use the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palette. This. I'm going to take the highlight from there and do here. For blush, I'm going to use this Tarte Party Amazon Clay blush. Using a fluffy brush and just pull in like that. I just put the Hourglass Ambient Light powder all over my face. I just kind of blended all the colors in of these using a feather brush and like that. Now I'm just wiping powder I'd set under my face. I'm going to put this Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow over my eyes. I love these things. They're great and super easy to use. Wow. Very sparkly. It's very sparkly. I don't remember it being that sparkly. So I'm going to add a little Stila Grace over it, which is just a shimmer and glow rather than glitter. I'm using this Benefit Give Me Brow in the shade 3. I'm just brushing my eyebrows up, fluffing them up, adding a little tint to them. Then I'm going to take this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, just gel them up in place, brush them up. I'm doing my lashes and I'm using this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Probably one of my favorite mascaras. And I'm just gonna put that. I'm going in with Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara over it. For lips, I just outlined my lips in this Bobbi Brown creamy lip liner in the color Buff 1. No idea if they still make it or not. And I'm going to use this Sephora Collection Creamy Lip Satin on my lips. And it's the color 84. I'll spread my face with this Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray. And my lips are done. Okay, so this is my finished look. I like how it turned out. I changed my lips and just put a gloss on instead because that's what I was feeling. Anyways, this is how it turned out. I really like it. I like all the products I use. Thanks for watching this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye. And so I'm going to tell you guys what you should buy. I recommend getting this Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. It's amazing. This is a great highlight. The Rare Beauty in the color Flaunt. I like this a lot. Clean highlight in the color Supernova. It's a very nice everyday, like no makeup look. Also their concealer, their gel serum concealer, super hydrating under the eyes and just like really brightens and makes your eyes feel plump under your eyes. Really like that. Their satin lip is very nice too. Foundation, definitely pick up the Giorgio Armani Luminous Soap Foundation. This is like the best thing in the whole entire world. Best thing. The NARS Creamy Concealer, Radiant Creamy Concealer is always a good idea. I'll pick up these two, the Hourglass Ambient Light Palette and the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. The Ilia Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Love this for under the eyes, and this one I use to carve out my face. I like the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Nude Pink. I don't have it with me. Mascaras. I really like the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. It's wonderful. Makes my lashes look great.